This is an Arrow brand double key lock. The key has been lost to this deadbolt, and switching out this lock set, as you see, there are no screw holes to remove the deadbolt. So I went online and could not find anything. I saw a few videos, but nothing that helped me in this case. So this is how I figured out how to get this open. I'm going to place this camera here. Right there. Took the 5-in-1 and I pried this plate open until I tore it. See that? You have to tear this piece of metal off of the face. Needle nose. And then you have to peel it back like a can opener. And once you get to this edge, the whole thing will peel off. Screw holes. Job done.